welcome to one and all. I am Sri Nisha.
I am Atulya. We are the students of Class 8E, Kendra Vidyalaya, Island Grounds, Chennai.
I emphasize that I am full of ambition, hope, and full charm of life. But I can renounce all at the time of need. And that is real sacrifice, says Sri Bhagat Singh.
With this beautiful inspirational quote, we start this video. Today, we are proud citizens of our country, India, because of various freedom fighters. Freedom fighters were those people who fought for our country's freedom, and many of them sacrificed their lives too. So we salute to them and start this video.
So today, we are going to perform an informative drama on the legend Bhagat Singh, a freedom fighter of our country, India, who showed a great contribution towards our nation. And he was considered to be one of the most influential revolutionaries of Indian independence movement.
So here it goes.
Scene 1. Childhood of Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907 at Banga in Lalpur district, present Pakistan, to Kishan Singh father and Vidyavati mother. At the time of Bhagat Singh's birth, his father Kishan Singh, uncles Ajit and Swaran Singh were in jail for demonstrations against the colonization bill implemented at 1907, and they were released from jail. Kishan Singh, Ajit and Swaran Singh were the members of a party called Gadar Party. In 1910, when Bhagat Singh was just 3 years old, one of his uncle Chacha Swaran Singh sacrificed himself for the country. Born in a revolutionary family, Bhagat Singh had a dream from childhood to drive away the Britishers from India and gain freedom. And maybe this is the reason why at a young age, instead of burying seeds in the farm, he had a habit of burying guns.
Scene 2. Schooling of Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh's primary education was done by him at District Board Primary School, Banga, Punjab in 1915. When Bhagat Singh was just 8 years old, 7 members of Gadar Party were hanged to death. From among who the most important and closest person to Bhagat Singh was Kartar Singh Sarba. This sacrifice of Kartar Singh Sarba had put Bhagat Singh to a standstill, and this made him idolize Kartar Singh Sarba as a role model. But in 1916, his father went to Lahore to help people affected by earthquake at Kangada. And after that, Bhagat Singh's education was continued at DAV school at Lahore. They say that on 13th April 1919, when the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar had taken place, where over 1,000 people were killed, the young Bhagat Singh was quite maimed and terrified by it, and so he quickly reached the place of tragedy and collected mud from the ground, filling his bottle, as the remembrance of harassment British had done on the Indians. 12th November.
Scene 3. College years of Bhagat Singh.
In 1928, Bhagat Singh had taken admission in the National College of Lahore, which was run by Lala Lajpat Rai and Paramanand. And in this college itself, he encountered with Sukhdev Thapar and Yashpal, where later on they became the closest friends. 1924, a very important year of Bhagat Singh's life. When his family began to force him to get married, he wrote a letter to his father, and from Lahore he came down to Kanpur. Bhagat Singh became a member of the Indian Republican Association in Kanpur itself, which was run by Sachidananda Sayal. Also, during the Sabhas of the Indian Republican Association, Bhagat Singh had encountered Chandrasekhar Azad, and in 1926 he returned to Lahore, where along with Sukhdev and his other members began the Indian Youth Assembly. 23rd October 1927 was the first time Bhagat Singh was arrested, but he released soon.
Scene 4. Protest of Simon Go Back.
Protest of Simon Go Back. Death of Lala Lajpat Rai. Bhagat Singh kills Sanders. In 1928, to take advantage of the not so good Indian political circumstances, a commission was brought up India whose proceedings were done by Sir John Simon. Due to the reason of no Indian being present in the commission, there was a protest done all around the country. Simon Go Back. When the protest reached Lahore, even Lala Lajpat Rai took part and supported. But the protest was supported by the British clearly with the use of lathi charge, because of which he of badly injured, and on 17th November 1928, Lala Lajpat Rai took his last breath to take revenge of the death of Lalaji. The members of Indian Youth Assembly decided to kill Scott, a police superintendent. Sukhdev was given the leadership to make the plans to kill the superintendent, and as per the plan, a day was selected. On that day, all of them prepared themselves and set out to complete the task. But instead of killing the person they were planning, that had decided to killing so many days, another one of the British officers, Sanders, killed. There is no doubt that Bhagat Singh himself had shot Sanders, but after that he couldn't sleep for many days. He was never in favor of likes to kill someone, but the circumstances were such that he had no other choice than to free his country from the British.
Scene 5. Bombing of the British Assembly.
Bombing of British Assembly. Surrender of Bhagat Singh. 63 days of hunger strike by prisoners. Bhagat Singh was quite mesmerized by the ideals of Karl Marx, and to make voices of the slaves reach the British government, he decided to bomb the British Assembly. This work was given in the hands of Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt, and on 8th April they bombed the British Assembly, and they were, with his bold voice, shouted Inquilab Zindabad, which meant long live the revolution, and willingly surrendered himself. It is very important to know that the bomb was nothing more than something like firecrackers, and it was just reached their voice of protest to the British. He never intended to hurt anyone. He just wanted to wake up sleeping powers of the Indians. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt were sent to jail, but they never lost their will to fight for their country's freedom. In those days, Indian prisoners were not treated well, and so Bhagat Singh and the rest of the prisoners went on a hunger strike. After 63 days of their hunger strike, the British had no other option but to surrender and fulfill the needs of the prisoners.
Scene 6. Hanged into death.
After throwing bombs in the British Assembly, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt gave their arrest to the British police. After some trials, the decision was made that Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev to be hanged. Bhagat Singh was hanged to death at the age of 23 years on March 23, 1931. This gave birth to a revolution to every Indian, and finally, in 1947, the Britishers ran away from India. There was no British Empire anymore, and India was independent. Bhagat Singh is remembered as legendary hero till now.
Lessons we learn from Bhagat Singh. First, be your own person. Be your own person. Don't follow the crowd just because they believe they are going to the right direction. Bhagat Singh would have well taken beaten path, but he didn't. That's one of the reasons why we are even talking about him 90 years after his death. The second one, for that person with passion. To what extent can you go to achieve your goal? Can you go hungry for days and stay sleep deprived for hours to meet your aim? How persistent are you following up on the target you have set for yourself? They could be as simple as losing weight or getting a certain point in your life. The third one, go beyond 140 characters and read. If some estimates are to be believed, Bhagat Singh is said to have read 300 books while he was imprisoned from April 8, 1929 to March 23, 1931. Popular accounts also tell us that until moments before he was to be evacuated, he was reading Lenin and asked the evacuator to wait till he finished the book. Quotes. I had only one idea before me throughout the trial, to show complete indifference towards the trial in spite of serious nature of the charges against us.
Study so that you're able to meet arguments of your opponents. By Bhagat Singh.
Bombs or pistols do not make a revolution. The sword of revolution is sharpened on the whitening stone of ideas. By Bhagat Singh.
Quote on Bhagat Singh. Merciless criticism and independence are the two traits for revolutionary thinking.
Labor is a real sustain of a society. By Bhagat Singh.
They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not be able to crush my spirit. By Bhagat Singh.
Conclusion. Bhagat Singh was indeed a true patriot. Not only he fought for the freedom of the country, but also he had no qualms giving away his life in the event. His death brought high patriotic emotions throughout the country. His followers considered him a martyr. We still remember him as Shaheed Bhagat Singh. We are proud of being a part of this nation, thanks to those who came before us. May the spirit of freedom continue guiding us to success and glory.